Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about else if ladder in C. Here, if is nothing but for giving some condition, right? That is, we have to give a particular expression in the if, and then if that expression is satisfied, then we will be executing the associated statements of that if, right? Now here, else if is nothing but if we have a situation where we need more than one condition, right? Then we use else if. Even we can also say it as multi-way decision making, right? First here we will see the syntax for else if ladder. If, right, the expression one, right, the statements associated with if, then after this we have the else part. Else is a keyword, right, and here no round brackets. After else we will write the if part, and here comes the expression 2, right, and here inside this the statements of else if. Next, one more else if, right, and here inside this the statements associated with the third else if. Now here last comes the else part, right. Now here we will see that, right, here first it will check the expression 1, that is the first if, and if it is true then the compiler will come inside and it will execute the statements associated with the first if, right. Now suppose if this is false, then the compiler will go to the second else if part. It will check the expression 2, and if this expression 2 is true, then it will execute the statements inside this else. And again, suppose if this expression 2 is also false, then it will move to the third if part and it will check the expression 3, and if this expression 3 is evaluated to true, then the statements associated with this if will be executed. And suppose if the expressions of third if, the expression 3 is also false, then automatically here what does the compiler do? It will move to the else part and it will execute. Suppose the first if expression is also false, the second if expression is also false, and suppose the third is also false, right? So automatically the else part will be executed, right? Now here we will see one example program on this else if, right? Right. Now here we will take two variables, okay, of type integer. Int salt is equal to 1, comma, oil is equal to 2, semicolon, right? These are the two variables that we are initializing with the values 1 and 2, right? Now here we will give out the conditions, right? Whether the conditions are satisfied or not, depending on that it will execute the statements, right? Here we are giving the first if salt is equal to 1, this is the logical and here oil is equals to 3. So here we are comparing the values of the variable salt and oil, right? And here we can give a statement, right? And this statement of 9th line is associated with the first if, that is the 7th line if, right? Here we are giving a statement that veg biryani cannot be prepared. Next, move on to the second if expression. Here we will give it as salt is equal to 1 and oil is equal to. Now here in the second if we are giving printf, yes, biryani can be prepared. Next we will take one more expression, that is salt is equal to 3 and or oil is equal to 4. Now here we are using the logical or operator, this one, right? That is, here it will check if any of a single condition is true, then it will return true, or else it will return false. So here in this we are saying not the enough ingredients, right? Now the last we are giving the else part, right? This 21st line printf will be executed when all the above if expressions are false. It will come to the else part and it will say, oh no, we have to think for another dish. Now we will execute and see this. So what is happening here? Salt in the first if, salt is equal to 1 is true, right? Oil is equal to 3, but oil here is equal to 2, right? So this will become false. So here first condition is true, second condition is false, so the logical and will return false. Now here as the first if is false, it will not go inside and it will move to the second else if. Now here condition 1 is true and condition 2, that is oil is equal to 2, is also true, right? In logical and both the conditions are true, so here it will return true. So it will come inside and it will execute this state, that is yes, biryani can be prepared. Suppose if this is also false, then it will move to the third, it will check the third statement and so on. And suppose if this is also false, it will go to the else part. So here we will see the output. Now here, as we said, the 11th line if is true, right? That is salt is equals to salt, 1 is equal to 1, and oil value is 2, that is here 2 is equals to 2. So here the 13th line statement will be executed in the output. Yes, biryani can be prepared. So here whenever you will be executing this program, you can change the value of this variable salt and oil, and you can check the output so that the different conditions, which condition will be satisfied, that statement associated with that if will be executed, right? Share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.